This is a story of Dave and Sharon finally living their dreams of sailing to the Caribbean and beyond. Join us while we share our adventures from getting the boat ready and embarking on our cruising life.
So here we are, provisioning run at the the base exchange. Get that in there. That's Patrick's air base, space base. So we got some stuff in here we didn't meant to go to storage, and then meats, and some other stuff.
Oh my, we go by. Yeah, oh, I'm not leaving you.
You're not going by yourself.
Yeah, yep, you're there.
I know, but everybody's having fun and not me.
Yeah.
All right.
We're saying
I'm gonna say goodbye.
All right, you take care. You take care.
You be careful. You stay healthy. I will.
Yeah, yeah, you too.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody's turn.
All right, bye-bye.
We'll see you soon.
And anything we can do, you let us know. I will.
Bye, Jack. It's nice having you for a neighbor for all these years.
Be safe out there.
So we're leaving Cape Canaveral or Cape Marina for good, hopefully.
Yeah.
If we stop by again, hopefully it's only for fuel and
Who are you aiming at?
I don't know, fuel and whatever, you know, and provisions.
Well,
All right,
safe trip. All right.
here you go, Sharon. This is on.
All right, you guys,
Keep in touch.
we will. Dave is putting things away, not that you can see him anymore. There we go. Getting all the lines put away as I drive out.
Some more boats to the left.
To the left.
I mean to your right. To your starboard. Leaving Port Canaveral. So how do you like those new windows?
I like them.
You can actually see.
In fact, when the dog was in the way, I could go do it
Over there.
over there.
Our new windows. Although they're dirty from the cruise
port.
ships
Yeah.
in the port.
The boat is all dirty from the port.
Yeah, and we just washed it too.
Oh, the rain will
there's a big cruise. There's a not a big cruise ship, but there's
a big boat coming.
a fishing charter, a fairly large fishing charter on your port.
Alright, so
Oh, so
doing this all these.
we have boats everywhere.
Coming out
Mostly
of
these
the
little fishing boats.
jetty park.
Little and big fishing boats. We got them coming up behind us. We got them. Wow. What is today? Thursday.
Today's Thursday.
And it's not really a holiday. We have a light easterly breeze, probably around 2. Whoops, I'm sorry, puppy. Probably around 2 knots or so. But we should be able to put the sails out once we go up and turn. We'll put the sails out and motor sail down to Fort Pierce. Our new clean observation window.
Sunday. There there's like a ton of boats and a beach. Guess everybody's having a really good time because it's a beautiful day.
That's a little aquarium right here in this park. Right on the channel / river.
Fort Pierce Inlet, I guess. I don't really know what you call it.
Yeah. Indian River.
It is the Indian
ICW.
ICW. Okay, and there is a marina way out there. And we went to a farmer's market way out there. Forgot to bring video. This is the bridge you have to go under. Nice day today.
So we are leaving Fort Pierce. Watch your ears. Heading to West Palm Beach. We're gonna leave. We left at, well, we pulled out around 4:15 in the morning. That way we can get down to West Palm Beach in light, which is what we need to do, and hopefully we get there before a thunderstorm comes in. That's predicted, but that's just predicted. I bet you it'll be all sunny. We'll see. So we're going down the coast of Florida, heading towards West Palm, Peanut Island. Sails out because, and motor sailing, because we have just enough angle for the sails to help us out.
Heading into West Palm Beach. It's very busy and cloudy. We left early so that we could beat any possible thunderstorms.
Imagine this on a weekend.
This is not a weekend. And it's very rocky and rolly. That's one particular anchorage, and we got a shower that came suddenly.
walking the dog on the famous Peanut Island. There's some nice mangrove groves over here. Can't go in there by boat or dinghy, but you can by kayak. So we are leaving West Palm area, Lake Worth, and heading to Miami and No Name Harbor. We're going to hang out there for a little bit, waiting for a window.
Okay, this is Port Everglades. There's ships. We're heading south to Miami and we're motor sailing. This is the north part of getting into No Name Harbor, and it's the shallower side, so we want to say thank you to all of our viewers who have subscribed and commented. We appreciate your support and feedback. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps us build our channel up so we can keep bringing you more videos.